guys, today we're going to be talking about how to latch hook. So, you get a piece of yarn about this long. This is a certain cutter. You probably don't have this, but to know that these are round, so you wrap yarn all the way around this to the top, and then you have a little slot here, and you put your scissors through the slot and cut it to get all the same length. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, get this. You see right here, you put your piece of yarn on. And make sure these two ends are straight. Hold it. Now, I have a grid here I've been working on. So, gotta find where I was. I was right here. So, there's this line right here. This line is where you want your knot to go. So you're gonna put underneath, through, pull it all the way through, and then you have this little flapper. You want this flapper to be out. So then you pull it back a little bit. Make sure that's up. And then you bring down your thing and you wrap it around it like this. Hold it. Then pull it through. And then you have a nice knot. Let me show you again. Get your piece of yarn, wrap it around, hold it, put it through here, dun dun dun, tink. Put it up. Come through, get it around this thing, a little flapper, hold it, pull it. Once this thing closes, you let go to pull it through. Okay, bye.